Hey, they're wonderful mums. Are you ready to step back into the workforce but feeling a bit overwhelmed by the tech world? You're not alone. Many returning to work after a break find themselves wondering about the essential IT skills they need to thrive. Today, we're diving into the basic digital skills that can help you regain your confidence and make that transition smoother than ever. Talk about the importance of mastering basic software applications. Familiarity with programs like Microsoft Office or Google Workspace can make a world of difference. These tools are often the backbone of many workplaces, and knowing how to create documents, spreadsheets, and presentations will set you apart. Plus, they're user-friendly, so you'll be up to speed in no time. Next, let's explore the world of communication tools. In today's digital age, being comfortable with platforms like Zoom, Slack, or Microsoft Teams is crucial. These tools not only help you stay connected with colleagues, but also allow you to collaborate effectively, no matter where you are. A little practice goes a long way, and soon you'll be navigating virtual meetings like a pro. Now, let's not forget about online research skills. Whether you're looking for industry trends or company information, knowing how to efficiently search for and evaluate online resources is invaluable. This skill will empower you to stay informed and make well-rounded decisions in your role. And here's some exciting news. If you're looking to boost your digital skills, One Connect, a fantastic social enterprise based in Glasgow, is here to help. They offer tailored programs which focuses on building your confidence and enhancing your IT skills. With their support, you'll be well-equipped to tackle any challenge that comes your way. As we wrap up, remember that stepping back into the workforce is a journey, and every small step counts. Embrace the learning process, and don't hesitate to seek out resources and support. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and encouragement. Thank you for joining me today, and I can't wait to see you thrive in your return to work.